Got a new arrival today at Westport Auto Center. It's a stunning 1967 C10 truck. Incredible restoration. Strong running motor. AKA Copperhead. Just attention to detail. Disc brakes, power steering, AC, ceramic coated headers, custom gauges, just the attention to detail. Very strong running truck. Straight body, nice paint, good panel alignment. Just love this paint. Well-sorted truck. Go to www.westportautocenter.com. You'll find about 100 pictures. And you'll find this video. Please like and subscribe to the channel, the video, help us grow. If you want to fly in, we'd be more than happy to pick you up, forward us your itinerary. Lambert International Airports are one and the same. Pick you up, take you here, we'll take it for a ride, put it up on a lift, make sure it's a good fit. Welcome third-party inspections. Tilt wheel. Just a super nice truck. Speakers built into the back. This is show quality paint. Cowl hood. See the bolts, it's done on this car. The truck was disassembled when it was painted and restored. That term restoration gets thrown around pretty loosely. This is a full mechanical, cosmetic, and electrical restoration. We're going to take it for a spin. Test drive this evening. It's going to be a little more crowded than normal, but it is what it is. Again, we welcome third-party inspections. Call 314-346-6039. It's 314-346-6039. If you want to talk to somebody in person, my name is Mark. I'd be more than happy to answer any questions you have. You do not need all the money to purchase any of these cars. We have several finance companies we use on a weekly basis. Great rates, good terms. about 10% down, so you can finance these vehicles. You do not have to be a cash buyer. We have 3 warehouses full of classic vehicles. More than welcome to come down and check them out. Just check them out. But the paint on this truck is extremely nice. Look at this, the attention to the detail inside the truck, the paint on the dash. I mean, it's a well sorted, well thought out restoration. I mean, everything on this vehicle is standing tall. Great oil pressure, fuel gauge, the tachometer, battery, speedometer, 1,300 miles on the restoration. So, barely broke it. Truck gets up and goes. www.westportautocenter.com. You'll find about 100 detailed pictures, videos here about during the sunset, but we've got a bunch of pictures that are of the vehicles out in the sun. All the chrome trim, bright work, rubber seals, interior, just everything is spot on this truck. Super nice truck, investment quality vehicle. Never restore it. Come close to restoring it for what we're asking on this truck. Again, 314-346-6039. It's Westport Auto Center, just out